Hello everyone. So let's start with the question time. Okay, so let's talk about the first question. A number is chosen at random from the first positive integers, right? So first 10 positive integers. So what is the probability that is an even number, an odd number, a prime number, exactly divisible by 3? So let's see what are those 10 positive integers, right? So it starts from 1 to 10, right? So these are the first 10 positive integers. So now let's see how we are going to find the even number, right? So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which of them are even numbers, right? So the probability for even number is 5 out of 10, right? So 5 even numbers are there out of 10. So and then you have to simplify. So that is half. Okay. So let's move to the odd number. So here you can see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So here also 5 odd numbers are there. So the probability is 5 over 10. So that is half when you simplify. So the next question is a prime number. So prime number is, it can have two factors, 1 and the number itself. So here you can see 2, 3, 5 and 7. So these are the prime numbers. So the probability will be 4 over 10. So when you simplify, you will get 2 over 5. So the last one is exactly divisible by 3. So here you can see 3, 6 and 9. So when you divide them, you will get exactly divisible by 3. So which means there is no remainders, right? So the probability will be 3 over 10. So next move to the next question to find out the m first. Let's see how we are going to find the m, right? So it's on the straight line, m and the angle 80. So here what is that? 80 degrees plus m will be equal to 180 degrees because that's a straight angle, right? So now from that we can find the angle, the value for the m is 100 degrees. Okay. So let's see how we are going to find the L. So L is 60 degrees because that is a corresponding angle with the 60 because those two are parallel lines. And then now let's see how we are going to find the N. So when you consider ABC as the triangle here, so now we have to find the N, right? So when you add up the interior angles of the triangle, it will add up to 180. So now you can find the N from subtracting from 180 minus 100 and then you minus the 60. So the N will be 20 degrees. Okay, clear? And then let's see the other question. 12 percentage of 800 grams. So now percentage, you have to write it as a fraction, 12 over 100, and then times by 800. So here you will get 96 grams. So let's move on to the next question. So that is 7 1 over 3 percentage of 3.75 meters. So let's convert the 7.35 meters to centimeter. So that is 375 centimeter. So now there's a fraction, right? So the mixed fraction. So now we will turn into improper fraction. So we will get 22 over 3. Since that's a percentage, you have to divide by 100 and then you have to multiply by 375. And when you simplify, you will get 27.5 centimeters. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Here. Okay. So here you can see 2x plus 5 that is equal to x plus 9. So now what we have to do, we have to rearrange them, right? So x, all the x you take one side and all the numbers you can take the other side, right? So 2x minus x that is equal to 9 minus 5. So when you solve this, you will get x equal 4. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. So here there is a bracket question. So you have to cancel off the bracket. So how we can do that? You have to multiply that, right? 2 times 3 and 2 times x. Likewise, the next part also 3 times 2x and then after 3 times 4, right? So when you open the bracket, you will get 6 plus 2x plus 6x plus 12, right? So now we will group them. All the x when you add, you will get 8x and the 6 plus 12 is 18. So still we can simplify this, right? So the common factor is 2. So you can take this out and then you can have a 9 plus 4x. Okay, so that's how we can do this. So I hope you all got this, and next time we will discuss some other questions. Thank you for watching.